Now let us continue the divisibility rule. In the last video I have already explained the divisibility rule of 2, 4, 8, 3 and 9. Now here in this video I am going to explain you divisibility rule of 5 and 10. It's very easy. Here divisibility rule of 5, you will see when the digit in the ones place, instead of ones place I should write last, or you can write digit in the ones place. Let me make you understand. Wait, digit in the ones place or the last digit in the given number. The last digit of the given number is 0 or 5, means it is divisible by 5. Very easy. Suppose let me take any large number, example 4, 8, 2, 3, 9, 6, 5, 0. Suppose I want to know whether this large number is divisible by 5 or not. Within a fraction of second I can tell yes. How I came to know this number is divisible by 5? I saw the last digit. What is the rule of divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. So here last digit is 0, means it is divisible by 5. But if 469, is this number divisible by 5? No, because last digit is neither 0 nor 5. Now, so it is divisible by 5. And this number is not divisible by 5. Now, divisibility rule of 10. The easiest divisibility rule. If the last digit is, if the digit in the ones place means from your right side the last digit is 0, that means it is divisible by 10. Example 810, last digit is 0, so yes, it is divisible by 10. Example 1. Example 2, 8145, last digit is 5, so no, it is not divisible by 10. So what is the difference between divisibility rule of 5 and 10? Here last digit should be either 5 or 0, but in 10 last digit will be only 0. Got it? Now children, I am going to explain you divisibility rule of 6, 12 and 15. Divisibility rule of 6, 12 and 15, how they are similar, see. Divisibility rule of 6, the given number which you have to prove कि ये divisible है 6 से or not, वो number should be divisible by 2 and 3. 2 और 3 दोनों से divisible होना चाहिए. Divisibility rule of 12. Divisibility rule of 12, the given number should be divisible by 3 and 4. और divisibility rule of 15, the given number should be divisible by 3 and 5. Means ये तीनों how they it is similar. इसमें तुम लोग को 2 बार प्रूव करना है कि ये नंबर डिविजिबल है 2 से भी और ये नंबर डिविजिबल है 3 से भी. अगर ये 2 से डिविजिबल होगा 3 से नहीं होगा तो दिस नंबर इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. अगर ये नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल है 4 से नहीं है तो इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 12. तो अब तुम लोग सोच रहे होगे ये कैसे स्प्लिट किए हैं 2 and 3, बिकॉज 2 into 3 is 6, here 3 into 4 is 12, or here 3 into 5 is 15. So now 762. Now I am going to explain whether 762 is divisible by 6 or not. तो पहले मुझे प्रूव करना है ये 762 is divisible by 2 or not. तो what is the divisibility rule of 2? I told you in previous video. Divisibility rule of 2, what you do, last digit तुम लोग देखते हो. तो last digit is divisible by 2, last digit is even, last digit 2 से divisible है. तो this number is, it is divisible by, you will write, it is divisible by 2. ठीक है, ये प्रूफ हो गया 2 से. Now 3 से भी प्रूफ करोगे. 3 से what is the divisibility rule of 3? तुम लोग को ऐड करना है ये नंबर. तो ये हो गया फर्स्ट स्टेप, स्टेप नंबर 1। स्टेप 2 यानी 2 स्टेप में करोगे, एक बार 2 से प्रूव करोगे, फिर 3 से प्रूव करोगे। स्टेप 2 में 762 को प्रूव करो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3 और नॉट, तो सम करोगे 7 + 6 + 2, तो 6 + 2 8, 8 + 7 15, तो 15 दिस सम इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, यस, सो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3। तो क्या देख रहे हो, 762 is divisible by 2, 762 is divisible by 3। रूल भी वही बोल रहा है कि अगर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल है, therefore 762 is divisible by 6। This way you will do. Here you have to do in 2 steps, ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम्हें प्रूफ करना है 2 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए और 3 से भी। The same thing we'll do here. How will you keep in mind, कौन सा नंबर होना चाहिए, 3 × 4 = 12, 3 और 4। The given number should be divisible by 3 and 4। अब 7 8 1 2, तो पहले इसे प्रूव करना है whether it is divisible by 3 और not। तो 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल सोचो, तो 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल क्या है, स्टेप 1 में 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, तो 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल है 7 + 8 + 1 + 2, ऐड करो 7 + 8 15, 1 16, 17 18, 18, 18 is divisible by 3, of course, yes, so it is divisible, लिखो यहाँ, it is step 1 में it is divisible by 6, sorry 3। तो why I am doing steps, क्योंकि यहाँ दो बार तुम्हें प्रूव करना है, this number should be divisible by 3, this number should be divisible by 4, okay. It is divisible by 3। अब step 2, स्टेप 2 4 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, तो लास्ट 2 डिजिट देखो, लास्ट 2 डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4 एज लास्ट 2 डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो आंसर विल बी देयरफॉर 7 8 1 2। अब ये 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, 4 से भी डिविजिबल है 7 8 1 2, तो 7 8 1 2 इज डिविजिबल बाय 12। अंडरस्टूड। नाउ डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 15 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, यहाँ पे 3 × 5 = 15, सो आई हैव टू प्रूव वेदर इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3 and 5 बोथ और नॉट। तो लेट अस सी, पहले इसे प्रूव करो स्टेप 1 में 3 से, स्टेप 1 3 से, तो what will you do, 2 + 7 + 1 + 5, 5 + 1 6, 6 + 7 13 14 15, yes 15 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3। हो गया फर्स्ट स्टेप। स्टेप 2 में आई हैव टू प्रूव वेदर इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5 और नॉट, तो लास्ट डिजिट 5 है, सो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5, yes you will write, sorry, it is divisible by 5 as last digit is 5। हो गया, दोनों प्रूव हो गया, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5, so therefore answer is yes, 2715 is divisible by 15। I hope you all have understood। Now I have taken example, and I have taken such an example, I am going to explain you such a way that once again I can recall and recall all the divisibility rule। Now let us see 3 2 7 1 5, I'll see, now you must be thinking why I have written these numbers, these divisibility rule of these numbers I have explained you, few divisibility rule in previous video and few in this video। Now let us see whether whether this number is divisible by 2 or not। Is it divisible by 2? Last digit, let us recall the divisibility rule of 2। What is the divisibility rule of 2? Last digit should be divisible by 2, so last digit underline it, no it is not divisible, so it is not this number is not divisible by 2। Now is it divisible by 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the number should be divisible by 3, so let us add 3 + 2 + 7 + 1 + 5, Adding how much you'll get? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 4, 13, 13 and 5, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now is this number divisible by 4? What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. See, last two digit is divisible by 4? No. So this number is not, doesn't follow the divisibility rule of 4. Now 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Last digit should be divisible by 5. So yes, as the last digit is 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5? Last digit should be 5. Last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Now 6. Is it divisible by 6? What is the divisibility rule of 6? It should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So now see, is it divisible by 2? No, because last digit is 5. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now come to 8. Last 3, what is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. See, last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Let us see. 8, 7, 1, 5. 8 9s are 72. So I will give by 8. 8s are 64. 4, 7, 75. So it is not divisible. So it is not divisible. This number is not divisible by 8. Now is it divisible by 9? Now sum. Sum is again, see, 3 and 9, divisibility rule of 3 and 9 is same. Sum is coming 18. So it is divisible by, and 9 2s are 18. So it is divisible by, this number is divisible by 9. Now is it divisible by 10? What is the divisibility rule of 10? Last digit should be 0. But here last digit is 5. So it is not divisible by 10 also. Now is it divisible by 12? Let us see. What is the divisibility rule of 12? The number should be divisible by 3 and 4 both. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So see, it is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 4? So it is written no. So it is not divisible by, this number is not divisible by 12. Now come to divisibility rule of 15. Is this number divisible by 15? So it should be divisible by 3 and 5 both. So see, it is divisible by 3. See, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5 also. So this number is divisible by 5. So the given number is divisible by 3, 5, 9 and 15. I hope you have understood. Children, I hope you all have understood this divisibility rule of these numbers. Next video, I am going to explain you prime numbers and composite number, which are very confusing and children hardly they understand. They always get confused between the two. So for clarifying your concept, watch my next video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel.